This is my 94 Mark IV right-hand drive NA 5-speed. Starting to pull it apart today to do NAT swap. Not much done to it, just HKS catback, bride seats, CD009 swap. That's about it for now, but it's going to be NAT, VVTi GE head, Tomei cams, a little bit of porting work on the head, BorgWarner S369. I can't remember who makes the front-facing manifold, but yeah, front-facing manifold. And it's not going to be anything crazy. It's just going to be a pump gas, probably methanol car, because I live out in the middle of nowhere, so no E85 stations near. But this is the start, and I'll keep posting videos as I get it more apart and get it back together.